So over the past 2 or 3 months, I have been redecorating this room. I recently moved in with my parents, and so I gotta remake over a new bedroom. And so this is all that footage. It's from like June, July, all the way till now, August. A lot of things have changed since then that you will see, but hopefully you all enjoy this little makeover video and enjoy the final product. Hey everyone, so I just moved into a new place and this is my bedroom. I'm gonna be taking you on a little trip of interior design makeover shenanigans. The walls are purple, which I don't like, so we're gonna be painting those today. As you can see, the ceilings are also purple. The whole house, every room, the ceilings and the walls are painted the same color and it's atrocious, so we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna be rearranging my furniture, putting masking tape, and then we're gonna get to it. So I have obviously been sleeping in here for a while and everything, so first things first, I need to move all my stuff.
So the next step was to put masking tape around all the edges of the floor and around the outlets so I wouldn't get any paint on them. The next step was to put these 2 tarps down so that I could paint without fear of ruining the floor. And the color I picked out was honey milk. And so with all the edges around the outlets and the floor complete, it was time to actually paint the walls themselves.
Well, I have officially finished the first coat of paint on these 2 walls, and now I'm getting ready to do a second coat. Hello! So today is another day of transforming this room, and we're going to be putting up some shelves on this back wall. As you can see, it is now a beautiful, creamy, honey milk white and not a purple lilac color, which I did not appreciate. So we're going to hang those up.
These 2 shelves were originally in our guest bedroom, but I thought they were super cute and matched my style, so I decided to steal them for myself. My dad helped me put them up with a few screws, and then I decided to put some plants on the shelves to make it look super cute. About a week later, I got some more pothos that I found on Facebook Marketplace, so I rearranged the shelves once again to put the longer vines and put some knickknacks up on the shelves as well. I also decorated my dresser a little with my jewelry box and some necklaces. The next big thing that needed to be hung up was this giant whiteboard that I had in my last room makeover. It was originally from my mom's office, but they no longer needed it, so I decided to snatch it up for myself. And of course, it wouldn't be a YouTube video in my new room without my puppies making an appearance.
No, don't run away!
Next, I changed out my covers for some neutral black ones.
Hello! It is day Lord knows what of this room makeover. We got these awesome shelves up with all of my pothos plants and some little knickknacks and jars and stuff that I have. Today I'm going to be putting up some drawings, some posters.
All of these drawings and posters are ones that I've had for a while, and I just assembled them all on my dresser. Since I had filmed all the poster stuff, all of my plants on my shelf sadly got sick. So I had to move them by the big window on a coffee table, but hopefully they all get better soon, and I gotta redecorate my shelves. I decided to put up one of the pothos that was still really healthy. I don't know how it survived and the others didn't, but I dangled it over the top, and I put some more of my little knickknacks on the two shelves. I pushed this wooden bench back into place, did a little posing, and Layla decided to ruin my video again. Just kidding, she always makes them better. Also, I had washed my hair that day, and my curls were poppin', and I was feeling myself in the mirror. Also, my outfit looked like a super stylish toddler would wear it, but I thought it was cool. So the shelves look a bit different. I think that because my plants were all up on the shelves that I have over there, they weren't getting enough sunlight and the soil wasn't drying out properly or something, so basically all of my pothos got root rot. That pretty much sucks. So now they're all over by my window, so hopefully they get a lot more sunlight. They're trying their best to survive. I repotted some of them. So I had to put something a bit different last minute because it's been a while since I filmed that shelf stuff. But I still think that it looks pretty nice. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the big reveal. So let me give you a brief overview of the room. Let's start by the mirror, which is where I started in my last room tour. Over here, I just have my shoes by the mirror again, and I have a bucket as a trash can. I have a new mask that I made, and I still have my old one with the cat whiskers on the other side. On the side by the shelves, I just have a couple little posters, and at the bottom, of course, I have my giant, gorgeous ZZ plant in this wicker basket, along with my record player. I have this wooden bench, and under it I just have my skateboard and a few boxes. And over it I have my favorite Levi's jacket, along with my beautiful new styled shelves. I decided to hang up my jacket here just because all the plants were gone and the wall looked a bit bare, so I wanted to add a bit of my wardrobe to spice things up. Next to my shelves, I have my whiteboard, which I have freshly organized. And on the wall next to that, I have my desk, my drawers, my side table, and my bed. My desk is pretty much the same as my last room tour, with the same desk, same drawers. I have my record player, my lamp, and some things on the top of the desk. I have this new chair, which I put my fanny pack on, along with a belt, and I just have my computer and a couple other things. I have the same bed frame from last time, but I've replaced my covers with these black ones from Target. As you can see, I also pretty much have the same setup for my side table with all of my makeup and my Nintendo Switch. At the base of the bed, I have the coffee table from my last room tour as well, with all of my plants on it because they are currently going through plant therapy to try and keep keep them healthy. As you can see, Groot is helping by holding up a couple of the vines. I cut some of the vines to start growing fresh fruits, and they've started growing, which is super awesome, so I hope that they'll all survive. Something really cool is that one of my succulents dropped a leaf, and now it's starting to grow a new little plant. Under the coffee table, I just have a crate with some more curiosities and my camera bag. The top of my dresser is pretty minimal with some sunglasses, necklaces, and my jewelry box, along with some perfumes and lotion. On the two walls by the corner where the dresser is, I just have two art pieces. One of them is this little ghost tattoo flash, and the artist is listed in the corner.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the makeover, make sure to click that like button and make sure to subscribe.